All right, so today we're going to be using the Yaesu FTX-1F with the micro PA50 along with this LDG Z100A tuner. I call this the Noctima. The Noctima. I don't know. I'm still playing around with the name. Anyway, they make a back end for this, which is 100 watts and all that. But we're gonna use this here micro PA50 and get after it. So without further ado, we're gonna be hunting some POTA. To turn the power amplifier on and off, you hold this FN button. We have it off, so we're gonna go ahead and tune up. There it is, that's all she wrote. 75 ohm coax, and we're gonna turn it back on. Now we have the radio going into the tuner, going to this, going to the 40 meter delta loop. So let's try to hunt some POTA down and see if we can help these people out. Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
All right, there's a little QSB there. Kilo India 5 again.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra 5 and 7 in Park US 1459.
Roger that, my friend. Copy. The park, I've got you at a 5757 into Lima Alpha, Louisiana. Lima Alpha, Louisiana. Thanks for being out there. 73 POTA on.
Hey, Roger. Thank you for the 57 Louisiana. Appreciate you hunting today. Have a great evening.
73.
73. QRZ. This is November 4, Tango Papa Delta. QRZ.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey India Sierra.
Negative. Whiskey Echo Sierra. Whiskey Echo Sierra. 59 plus Lima Alpha.
QSL. I've got you at a 59 here in US 4511 and US 6962. If you could stand by, I have 2 additional operators.
73, go ahead.
This is November 4, Alpha Lima Mike. It's going to be the same signal report in the same part. QSL.
I've got all the information. Thanks for being out there. POTA on. Go ahead with the last op.
Kilo India 5 Whiskey Echo Sierra. You're still a solid 5-9er into North Carolina into our 2 parks. Thanks for hunting. This is Alpha Delta 4 November Charlie.
73, my friend. POTA on. I'm going to try to get out there tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for being out there.
We appreciate you. Thanks for hunting and POTA on. This is...
So now we've seen it on voice. Let's try it on FT8. I think we're going to get a little bit more control out of it. So I'm going to turn the power off to about 3 watts. And we're going to set up FT8 right now. I really like this one, this amplifier, because it's auto sensing, it's auto band sensing. You don't have to worry about switching. It's got a fan built in it. It's just an overall nice design. They make a 100 watt version that I'm thinking about, but I like the small size of the 50 watt version. And with the antennas that I typically run, I think that gives me the best power that we're looking at. We're going to run this at 3 watts down all the bands. And we're going to start at 10 because that's as high as it goes. We're on 10. We'll tune it up. Oh, I forgot to do that. So that's a big no-no. That's a big no-no. Whenever you go to tune it up, you want to make sure that you have the PA off. Sorry about that. So we're going to try it on 10. When you're set up, we'll go ahead and tune it with the PA off. We're set up and tuned. Turn the PA on. Enable transmit. At 3 watts in, we're getting about 12 watts out on 10. We'll go ahead and bump it up to 5 just so you can see that's the recommended power. Run this with 5 watts, no more than 5 watts. We're going to let it cycle again so we can get the full effect. And there we go. We're getting about 25-ish watts out on 10 meters, and that's 5 watts in. We will jump to 12. We're going to turn the PA off. Go ahead and tune it up. Here we go. Turn the PA back on. Enable transmit. We're going to let it get to the cycle. And 42 watts. That's to be expected. It's saying the SWR is 2 to 1. But SWR on the actual radio is fine. So we'll jump to 15. So again, PA off, tuner on. we're running the tuner off the cable, and it's powered off of this radio. We have this. You can see that the voltage that it's running, and it's really not drawing a whole lot of amperage. You can hear the fan on as well. We'll turn the PA on. Go ahead and enable transmit. The PA saying that we are at 45 watts. That's to be expected, I would say so. And 1.5 SWR. Radio saying SWR is fine. I find that this is my second one of these, and I think that the SWR is just a little bit, the meter on it is a little bit goofy. Go ahead and tune it up. We are going to be on 17 meters now. You can see it automatically switched. Turn the PA on. Enable transmit. 41 watts. You know, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. That the ALC is adjusted where it should be. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. This not to I don't know. I feel like I want to do a play on words. So here's 20 meters. Go ahead and tune it up. This is on the Delta loop. Enable transmit, and we'll turn the PA on. Halt transmit. Enable transmit again. 43 watts, you know, to be expected. I would say so. 30 meters, turn it off. This is probably the easiest way to test what you actually get. There we go. We'll turn PA on. Enable transmit, 30 watts. Okay. I don't expect it to be the same on every band, and I don't expect it to be max power output either. Here's 40. Turn it off. Set the tune. Turn it back on. Enable transmit. And I bet if we played with the ALC adjustments on FT8 that we could actually get this up to 50 watts. But you guys don't want to see me play with adjustments. Whoa, it does not like that. Halt TX. All right, so 5 watts in on 40 meters. Makes it go berserk. Let's try that again. So there we go. We're going to tune it. SW on the radios 1-to-1. Enable transmit. I guess it does not want the full 5 watts, so we'll go ahead and back it down to 3. Give it a second to transmit. PA on. 30 or so watts with 3 watts in, so we could probably walk that up to 4 watts and it would be fine. We'll try it at 4. Bring 4 watts up. Let it run through the cycle. You can hear the internal fan going. It's automatically band switching. I think this is a pretty good setup. I'm not gonna lie, I really kind of like this. You know, if you're going for a minimalist, there we go. Right at 50 watts. 4 watts, 40 meters, gets you 50 watts. Just for giggles, we're gonna jump to 80. We're gonna turn this off. Tune her up. Tune it up. There we go. No problem. PA on. Enable transmit. Now, of course, it's daytime. We're not going to get nothing. Super DX is on. They're 52 watts. That's what 4 watts in. Not too shabby. We'll take it all day long. Get you a 50 watt. And for giggles, let's see if it'll do a 160. Now, if I had to change something about this amplifier, I think it needs to do 6 meters as well, but can't get it all in one box unless you get the Optima. So the Optima has to work. All right. PA off, PA on. It's in bypass mode, so I'm guessing it does not do 160. So there you go. Guys, there you go. Full testing. Get some power output with the micro PA50. You can see the size comparison. Super light, low, easy on power, ready to rock. 73, guys. Corncob CB shop. Check us out for more Yaesu FT1X Optima videos and ham radio on the cheap. 73.